Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the first trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks in news. The first one is KEC International because High Court stays PGCIL's order excluding KEC from tenders for 9 months. Company can continue participating in ongoing bids until further orders. The next stock is RITES because RITES and the Government of Botswana sign an MOU to modernise railway and transport infrastructure in Botswana. The next stock is Indraprastha Gas because company enters into a joint venture with Hindustan Waste Treatment to set up a biogas plant. The JV equity participation will be 50-50 in ratio. The next stock is entire railway stock because Indian Railways announces a new fare structure effective from 26th of December 2025. The division is expected to generate 600 crores additional revenue, and the under new ticket pricing, ordinary class passenger travelling over 215 kilometers will pay 1 paise extra per kilometer. The next stock is Indian Hotel because board approves disinvestment of 25.52% stake in Taj GVK. The next stock is Ultratech Cement because company receives tax demand and penalty order of 782 crores for fiscal year 19 and 23. The next stock is Jupiter Wagons because promoter Tatra Vagonka acquires 0.55% stake, which is around 28.72 lakh shares at 470 rupees per share for 135 crores. The next stock is Tech Mahindra because company directed to deposit 1,290 crores toward employees' PF dues. The company also disclosed the PF amount has a contingent liability. The next stock is Tata Steel because company received tax order demanding 4.93 billion and penalty of 6.39 billion. Along with that, company acquires 1.49 billion equity shares of T Steel Holding Private Limited for $150 million. The next stock is Tata Chemical because company's subsidiary to acquire 100% equity of Nova Bay Acquisition Enterprise value set at around 25 million euros. The next stock is Fortis Healthcare because company plans investment of 840 crores for 300 plus bed in hospital in Bengaluru, acquires People Tree Hospital for 430 crores and plans additional 410 crore investment to expand infrastructure. The next stock is Granules India because Granules Life Science complete US FDA inspection concluded with 5 procedural observation and none of the observation related to data integrity or product safety. The next stock is CESE because company's subsidiary issues binding letter of intent to Classcorp Solution. The LOI is for the consultancy service for a 250 megawatt wind farm in Karnataka. The next stock is GE Vernova T&D India awarded contract by AESL project for design and establishment of a 2,500 megawatt HVDC VSC terminal station, and the contract execution will span multiple years. The next stock is IIFL Finance because company appoints former RBI Deputy Governor BP Konungo as a chairperson of the board. The next stock is REC because company incorporates Ambernath Power Transmission Limited as a wholly owned subsidiary, and the subsidiary form for a 400 by 220 kV GIS transmission project. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.